Mbaara ya ungumania guku bururi-ini ni ikoretwo iking'ethanirwo nayo ona gutuika ungumania no ukoretwo ukiyumiria honge-ini itiganite. Akiaria hindi ya igongona ria mathiko mwena wa kanika Mwingi, Mubunge wa gicigo kiu Gideon Mulyungi nioritie mutongoria wa bururi kwaga kuregeria kamba ya kurua na kung'ethanira na aria makoretwo makiungumania mbeca cia muingi na iria ibati gukorwo ikirehe uthii wa nambere. Mulyungi augite ona gutuika kiumia kihituku mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni atabanirie mogaruruku ministeri-ini itiganite oro undu umwe na gubuta wira minister wa mathako kuri na maminista angi makuruhanitio na ungumania na mari o wira-ini.
That is just a speck in the ocean. There is more that needs to be done in the cabinet because the fight against corruption must start from the top, and we have had several cabinet ministers who have been mentioned with high level corruption.
Na kurumirira kurugamio kwa waki wa demu ya uma, Mulyungi augite uthuthuria utabanio na kinyi kuona riria yahitukirio gwako governor wa Kitui Charity Ngilu niwe wari minister wa mai na uguo mbaara-ini ya ungumania gutire mundu ubati kuoherwo angikorwo ni akuruhanitio na ungumania ro wothe.
And if the deputy president is sure that 7 billion has been lost, I think him and the president should go for those who have stolen that money, fire them and take them to court, and follow that money and make sure that it is returned to the taxpayers.
Girifotera Kameme TV mohoro gitau ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.